Hello students, welcome to the series of NEET examination. Dear students, today we are going to solve NEET 2020 phase 2 question paper. This test was conducted on 14th October 2020 for the students those who were absent on 13th September 2020 because of corona or any other reason. I have taken this booklet code of Z6 from NTA website. As you know, this question paper consists of 180 questions. Among 180 questions, there will be 90 questions from biology, followed by 45 questions from physics and 45 questions from chemistry. And the time duration of this test is 3 hours, and each correct answer carries 4 marks, and there is maximum total marks are 180 into 4 is 720 marks. If you make any wrong answer, you are going to be deducted 1 mark, that is negative 1 mark is there. Let us see the questions. Dear students, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. We have completed biology 90 questions. Dear students, let us see NEET 2020 phase 2 physics questions. In this test you will have 45 questions. I have taken booklet code of Z6. Let us see the questions of physics. Question number 91. 3 stars A, B, C have surface temperature TA, TB and TC respectively. Star A appears bluish, star B appears reddish and star C yellowish. Hence, you know VBGR. VBGR. So, yellow is middle and red is having low energy or temperature. Red is going to be less, whereas blue is going to have high. So what is the temperature? They are saying A appears blue. Blue means it is A, so highest temperature, followed by reddish. B is reddish, it is lowest temperature. It is B is red. Yes, so it is low temperature, whereas C is middle of these two. So option number 3, TA greater than TC greater than TB. It is very simple students. If you know the VBGR and the energy levels, so blue is higher energy and red is lower energy, or the temperatures are blue is more compared to R. This is how option number 3 is correct option students. Next. Which of the following gate is called universal gate? NAND gate, because by using NAND gate you can create remaining gate, that is AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate. So this is NAND gate is a universal gate. Next, question number 93. The mean free path L for a gas molecule depends upon diameter D of the molecule as L proportional to 1 by D square. Option number 4 is correct option students. The magnetic flux linked with a coil in WB is given by the equation pi equal to phi t square plus 3t plus 16. The magnitude of induced EMF in the coil at the 4th second will be, it is 43 volts. Option number 1 is correct option students. Next, the angular speed of the wheel of a vehicle is increased from 360 rpm rotations per minute to 200 rotations per minute in 14 seconds. Its angular acceleration is 4, that is 2 pi radians per second square. Option number 4 is correct option students. Next, question number 96. 2 coherent sources of light interfere and produce fringe pattern on a screen. For central maximum, the phase difference between the two waves will be Option number 4, 0. Next, question number 97. What is the depth at which the value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 1 by n times the value that at the surface of earth, radius of earth r? Yes, so gravity g, how it follows? It is going to be r into n minus 1 by n. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 98. An object is placed on the principal axis of a concave mirror at a distance of 1.5 f. F is the focal length. The image will be at minus 3f. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 99. The acceleration of an electron due to the mutual attraction between the electron and a proton when they are 1.6 angstrom apart is me, we know 9 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms, and electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 19 c, and take 1 by 4 pi epsilon equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square per c. So the correct option is 2 10 to the power of 22 meters per second square. Next, question number 100. The equivalent resistance between A and B for the mesh shown in the figure is, it is 16 ohms. So how it is? So 4 into 8 and 6, it is 12 minus 6, it is going to be 6, and 6 4 8 and 12 minus 6, right? So average, it is going to be 16, right? 12 plus 4, it is going to be 4, so it is nothing but 16. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, identify the function which represents a periodic motion. Option number 2, sine wt plus cos wt. Next, question number 1 or 2. A liquid does not wet the solid surface if angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees. Option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, out of the following, which one is a forward bias diode? It is option 3 is correct option, students. Next, for the circuit shown in the figure, the current I will be 1 ampere. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 105. Time intervals measured by a clock give the following readings: 1.25 seconds. So it is it's simple calculation, students. So 1.24 seconds, 1.27, 1.21 and 1.28. What is the percentage relative error of the observations? So just add all this, divide with 5, and average of that you are going to get 2, and when you do what with each one, you are going to get 1.6%. that is, error is, relative error is 1.6%. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 106. A light bulb and an inductor coil are connected to an AC source through a key as shown in the figure below. The key is closed, and after some time an iron rod is inserted into the interior of the inductor. The glow of the light bulb, 106, is option number 4, decreases. So the option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, two solid conductors are made up of same material, have same length and same resistance. One of them has a circular cross section of area A1 and the other one has a square cross section of area A2. The ratio A1 by A2 is 1. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 108. The magnetic field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by By equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 sin pi into 10 to the power 3 x plus 3 pi into 10 to the power 11, and t, calculate the wavelength, is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, the variation of electrostatic potential with radial distance r from the center of a positively charged metallic thin shell of radius r is given by the graph is 1. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, the efficiency of a Carnot engine depends upon, it is the temperature of the source and sink. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, a NPN transistor is connected in common emitter configuration, that is, if you see the figure, in which collector voltage drop across load resistance, that is 800 ohms, connected to the collector circuit is 0.8 volts. The collector current is, it is going to be 0.1 mA. The total energy of an electron in the 9th stationary orbit of the hydrogen atom can be obtained by, it is option 1, En equal to minus 13.6 by n square electron volts. So the number of, so the stationary nth level, just substitute the nth level, whatever the level, and you are going to get the energy. So by using this equation you can calculate the energy of the shell. Next, question number 113. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with kinetic energy of 144 electron volts is nearly, it is option number 4, 102 into 10 to the power of minus 3 nanometers. 114. If the critical angle for total internal reflection from a medium to vacuum is 45 degrees, then velocity of light in the medium is 3 by root 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 115. An ideal gas equation can be written as P equal to rho RT by M0, where rho and M0 are respectively. So ideal gas equal to, we know it is 2, that is mass density, rho is mass density and molar mass. It is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, the PV diagram, that is pressure and volume diagram for an ideal gas in a piston cylinder assembly undergoing a thermodynamic process is shown in the figure. The process is, it is isobaric. So the pressure is constant. The pressure is constant. So it is isobaric. Option number 2 is correct option, students. The half-life of a radioactive sample undergoing alpha decay is 1.4 into 10 to the power of 17 seconds. If the number of nuclei in the sample is 2 into 10 to the power of 21, the activity of the sample is nearly 10 to the power of 4. So the option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 119. Next, question number 118. A barometer is constructed using a liquid density, it is 760 kilograms per meter cube. What would be the height of the liquid column when a mercury barometer reads 76 centimeters? Density of mercury is 13600 kilograms per meter cube. So it is going to be 13.6 meters. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 119. What happens to the mass number and atomic number of an element when it emits gamma radiation? It is straightforward question. Mass number and atomic number remains unchanged. Gamma radiation. Yes. Next, question number 120. The electromagnetic wave with shortest wavelength among the following is. So it is second question from electromagnetic wave, right? So among X-rays, gamma rays, microwaves, or UV rays, which is going to be highest, shortest wavelength? So this is, so when you write the EM wavelengths, so gamma rays are the shortest waves, right? So option number 2 is correct option, students. Gamma rays are shortest waves. That means these gamma rays are going to have highest energy, right? Option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, for the circuit given below, the Kirchhoff loop rule for the loop B, C, D, E and B is given by the equation. It is 1. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 122. A plano-convex lens of unknown material and unknown focal length is given. With the help of a spherometer, we can measure the radius of curvature of the curved surface. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, Question number 123. The power of a bioconvex lens is 10 dioptre and the radius of curvature of each surface is 10 centimeters. Then the refractive index of the material of the lens is, it is 3 by 2. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, a point mass M is moved in a vertical circle of radius r with the help of a string. The velocity of the mass is under root 7 grams at gr at the lowest point. The tension in the string at the lowest point is, it is 8 mg. Next, question number 125. A wire of length L meter carrying a current of I ampere is bent in the form of a circle. Its magnetic moment is, it is going to be 3, that is option number 3, IL square by 4 am square. So the option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, an intrinsic semiconductor is converted into n-type extrinsic semiconductor by doping it with phosphorus. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, 3 identical spheres, each mass m, are placed at the corners of a right angle triangle with mutually perpendicular sides equal to 2 meters. Taking the point of intersection of the two mutually perpendicular sides as the origin, find the position vector of center of mass. It is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 128. A parallel plate capacitor having cross sectional area A and separation D has air in between the plates. Now an insulating slab of same area but thickness d by 2 is inserted between the plates as shown in figure, having dielectric constant K, that is 4. The ratio of new capacitance to its original capacitance will be 8:5. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 129. A person sitting in the ground floor of a building notices through the window of height 1.5 meters. A ball dropped from the roof of the building crosses the window of 0.1 second. What is the velocity of the ball when it is at the topmost point of the window? We know that g equal to 10 meters per second square. So it is going to be 14.5 meter per second. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 130. The angle of 1, that is minute of arc in radiation, is nearly equal to, it is 2.91 into 10 to the power of minus 4 rad. That is option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 131. The wave nature of electrons was experimentally verified by Davison and Germer. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 132. The length of the string of a musical instrument is 90 centimeters and has a fundamental frequency of 120 Hz. Where should it be pressed to produce fundamental frequency of 180 Hz? It is 60 centimeters. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 133. A wheel with 20 metallic spokes, each 1 meter long, is rotated with a speed of 120 rotations per minute in a plane perpendicular to a magnetic field of 0.4 G. The induced electromagnetic force, that is EMF, between the axle and rim of the wheel will be, we know that 1 G equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 T. So the answer is option number 4, 2.51 into 10 to the power of minus 4 volts. Next, question number 134. Calculate the acceleration of the block and trolley system shown in the figure. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the trolley and the surface is 0.05. That is, we know that g equal to 10 meters per second square. Mass of the string is negligible and no other friction exists. So when there is no friction, it is going to be option number 4, 1.25 meters per second square. Next, question number 135. The electric field at a point on the equatorial plane at a distance r from the center of a dipole having dipole moment is given by, are greater than separation of two charges forming the dipole, that is epsilon 0 is permittivity of free space. It is option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, dear students, we have completed physics questions, 45 physics questions from NEET 2020 phase 2, which was held on 14th October 2020. Dear students, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. It seems to be that this physics question paper of phase 2 NEET 2020 is comparatively tough than phase 1 question paper, which was held on 13th September 2020. Don't worry, students. So the average and the